come. Oh, he really does have a turn. Yeah. Hold on.
Quick, clean, and on point, work like a boss. Do they have the same operating system installed or what? Power comes from unity. That's a perfect cut. So who's ready to bet they can move faster than this guy? A skilled builder, and even a top-notch balancing act.
Bruh.
Work done right, done fast, done with pride. This towel's got some serious magic going on.
George, how much you pay for the new guy?
For farmers, that machine is like a loyal buddy. Wait, did the net actually just vanish before my eyes? Being strong helps, but precision seals the deal. The kind of trick you'll want to save and use later. Oh wow, that's the definition of oddly satisfying. His back owes that tool a big thank you. Work smarter, not harder. Watch this clever trick in action. How did you remove the snow from the roof? Give me that broom, and I'm ready to clean the yard for the whole year. Clever methods make heavy jobs look easy. Cool to watch, not so cool to try yourself. Turning a problem into a quick fix with nothing but a log.
Let's do it. Ooh, close.
Get ready to be wowed by flawless work and deeply satisfying moments. This 26-28-ton excavator with a drum cutter minimizes vibration, making it perfect for urban jobs or work near sensitive structures. That's not just flawless, that's frame it on a wall, flawless. These donuts are popping out faster than bad decisions at 2 a.m. Turning big problems into easy wins, ICA Pro. Back when plowing fields was a full-body workout and a team sport. Works like a charm, but seriously, don't try this at home. Designed for efficient cleanup, this stump grinder digs as deep as 38 centimeters, wiping out tree stumps with ease. That big fella just swallowed a tree like it was a breadstick. cutting with style. Fast, clever, and oddly hypnotic. Blink, and she's already harvested the next field. If you want hassle-free land clearing, Vermeer's 65,000 LLB tracked wood grinder is a beast, built to tackle heavy wood debris and make recycling effortless. That tree didn't stand a chance. It got absolutely wrecked. Built for speed and volume, Tomato Harvester processes 20-30 tons hourly across half to 1 hectare. Slicing so precise, it could moonlight as a sushi chef.